On the Hobart machine, it's designed every 1500 washes. A reminder that comes on the screen that it ideally could do with a hygiene clean cycle. To instigate this cycle, go into the center button, which is the clock, scroll down until you come across the hygiene cycle, which is encased in the oblong. Open the door. Hobart supply hygiene refreshment tablets. Take out the tablet, put it onto the filter, close the door and press the button. It will now go through a hygiene cycle. Always keep an eye on the control. When it is fully green, it has gone through its cycle and is ready to be used. This does take some time because we need to dissolve the hygiene tablet. So it will go through its cycle, it will rinse, it will shut itself down and finish the operation.